YouTube, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the package that came from Automotive. This should be the Tazer JL Mini. We'll just open this up here. Hopefully I'm not cutting anything important. Let's see what we get. Okay, so nothing else in that package. It says Tazer JL Mini, so that's correct. Let's see what we got in the box. Of course, we got a sticker. Always need a sticker. Now, this should be the module. Yep, there is the Automotive module. And a couple of wires. That should be downloading all your updates. And that's it. What the Tazer Mini is capable of doing is programming a lot of the systems in your Jeep JL or Jeep JT. This will control a lot of features like gear ratios, tire sizes, lighting options. Very useful tool. So that's what comes in the box. And what I will say is I was amazed during the pandemic, getting auto parts have been very, very difficult. But with Automotive, I ordered on a Monday and I got this on a Wednesday. And I live on the west coast of Canada. This came from the New York area. So absolutely phenomenal service to get it here that quickly. So let's do the install and see how this works. What I will say is there were no instructions with the package, but what they do is they put a website in here to tell you all the instructions. So that's where we're going to go first, and we're going to take a look at how to install this and any instructions they have. Just plug it in via the supplied USB connector, just into the side here. You see the green light come on, and that way you know it's all hooked up, and then do the utility, and you're ready to go. When you do get your Tazer JL Mini, you will have to download the Automotive programming utility on a Mac or PC and do an update. This is handy to do before you install in the vehicle. What you have to do to install the Tazer is to remove this panel right here, just below the steering wheel, and the Tazer JL Mini gets installed into the module just behind this speaker. You just pull this, there's just clips holding this in. I've removed this already. Just show you that there's just clips. There's no screws to undo. Well, you can see the cables just above the OBD2. That's what we have to pull out right back here. Okay, when you get the two clips out, they will look like this. Two different sizes. Really hard to mess this up because they don't interchange. Plug this in, you feel a click. And then plug this one in. A little click. Now you see the lights going off. That's your Tazer now installed and ready to be married. Okay, now that the Tazer's installed, do not put your foot on the brake. What we want to do is we want to press the start button into the run position. Once that's booted up, we want to change this until it gets. You want to keep scrolling till it says marry, and use the cruise control button, marrying. All this time I'm holding that left arrow button. It does a countdown. So what's that doing? It's pairing the module to the Jeep. Now you see married.
Okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to not put our foot on the brake, put it into run, let the Jeep do its full boot up sequence. You put that in audio first. Once we get in audio, left arrow button and cancel. And that will cycle through all, I don't know if you can see all that, light show, trouble codes, clear check engine lights, unmarry, performance. I won't go through what each of these subcategories hold because it is massive on what this can do. TPMS, radio, I'm not really sure what that is, but in the instructions it'll show you what radio does. Lighting, that's for changing to LED lights or changing what you want for your daytime running lights, or you want no daytime running lights. Off-road is typically off-road things like tire sizes, gear changes, transfer case axle ratios, very complex. Other is just another category. That's the version of the JL, the serial number, an unmarry code, and then a full reboot. So anytime you do changes to gear ratios or tire sizes or something like that, you can basically reboot it, and that will save those to the computer. Now once we start this, we'll start this now. Same combination of holding the left arrow and the cancel button to cycle through. We have now what is called live features. Turn cam, so it turns on your camera when you put on your turn signal, your backup camera. A hood alarm, so it puts an alarm on your hood. A dark mode, shuts off all your lights, very interesting. I'm not sure what that one is. Video, I don't know what that is either. Boost, this is a diesel, so I can see my turbo boost. Basically, there's so many features to this, it would take an hour to go through each and every one. If you want to know what each one does, Z Automotive has a really good website that you can go on to that will tell you exactly what each feature does and what's available for the Mini. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.